Lesson 7. Basic Keyboarding 1. Spacebar. Place your hands over the keyboard and curl your fingers, do not bend your wrists. Avoid resting your palm as this causes your wrist to bend. Place the tips of your fingers on the home keys, left hand little finger on the A key and the other fingers on the S, D, and F keys, right hand little finger on the key and other fingers on the L, K, and J keys. Keep your eyes on the screen. Do not look at the computer keyboard. Press A with your left little finger 4 times and press spacebar with left, or right, thumb. Repeat the same until all the letters typed. A. 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 Space. A. 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 Space. A. 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 Space. A. 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 S. D. F. Space. A. S. D. F. Space. A. S. D. F. Space. A. S. D. F. Semicolon. semicolon, L, K, J, space, semicolon, L, K, J, space, semicolon, L, K, J, space, semicolon, L, K, L, K, J, K, J, A, S, D, F, F, G, space, semicolon, L, K, J, J, H, space, A, S, D, F, G, space, semicolon, L, K, J, H, Q, Q, W, E, R, space, Q, W, E, R, space, Q, W, E, R, space, Q, W, E, R, P, O, I, U, space, P, O, I, U, space, P, O, I, U, space, P, O, I, U, Q, W, E, R, R, T, space, P, O, I, U, U, Y, space, Q, W, E, R, T, space, P, O, I, U, Y, Z. X, C, V, space, Z, X, C, V, space, Z, X, C, V, space, Z, X, C, V. Question slash. Greater than dot. Less than, greater than dot. Less than comma. M. Space. Question slash. Greater than dot. Less than comma. M. Space. Question slash. Greater than dot. Less than comma. M. Space. Question slash. Greater than dot. Less than comma. M. Z. X. C. V. V. B. Space. Question slash. Greater than dot. Less. M. M. N. Space. Z. X. C. V. B. Space. Question. Greater than dot. Less than comma. M. N. A. S. D. F. Space. Q. W. E. R. Space. Colon sem. L. K. J. Space. P. O. I. U. A. S. D. F. Space. Z. X. C. V. Space. Colon sem. L. K. J. Space. Questions. Greater than dot. Less than comma. M. A. A. S. D. F. Space. J. K. L. Colon space. Q. W. E. R. T. Space. U. I. O. P. Space. Z. X. C. V. Space. M. Less than comma. Greater than dot. Question slash. 1 exclamation. Two double quotes. £3. $4. Space. 5%. 6 carat. 7 ampersand. 8 asterisk. Space. 9 open bracket, 0 close bracket, minus underscore, plus equal, T, H, E, space, Q, U, I, C, K, space, B, R, N, space, F, O, J, U, N, P. You have finished basic lessons of Kiran's typing tutor. Now you can practice typing. Go to main window and click typing practice.